In this demonstration, we're going to configure audit logging. The purpose of audit logging is to allow us as administrators to just see what people have been doing on our system. So it's used to track mailbox access by mailbox owners, delegates, and administrators. So what we're going to do first off is we're just going to set up a little scenario that we can verify has successfully worked. And that little scenario is just to actually manage send as permissions for one of our users. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come down to customer support. And on customer support, what we'll do here is we'll just manage full access permission. On the manage full access permission, we're just going to verify that Andrea and Arno are displayed. So what we'll also do as well is we'll also just verify that if we have a look down here that the manage send as permission is also configured as well. And again, we've got Andrea and Arno, but what we're going to do here is we're just going to add an additional user, and we're going to add in a user called Adam Carter. So we'll click OK there, and we'll just select manage. Now we've done all of that, we'll just select the finish button. What we're now going to do is we're going to enable audit logging on the support@contoso.com mailbox, because this, in the case of audit logging, is handled mailbox by mailbox. So to do that, we need to go to the Exchange Management shell. From the Exchange Management cell, we just need to set this up. So the command that we're going to use here is set-mailbox, -identity, customer support. We're going to set up the audit delegate, send as, and send on behalf. We're going to audit enable this. I'm going to set that to true. So that's all done now. Next thing we're going to do here is we're just going to perform a send as activity on the support@contoso.com mailbox. Right, so we're logged in as Andrea. Andrea was one of the users that has the send as ability. So what we're going to do here is just create a new mail message. And what we're going to do is then within here we'll just click on options, and what we'll also have a look at is show from. We'll click OK at this point here. So in the from field, what we're going to do here is we're just going to delete Andrea, and we're going to type in support@contoso.com. Now that we've done all of that, all we'll do here is we'll send this mail message to the administrator user. And what we'll do here with the subject is we'll just put this in as test message. And we'll say that this is to test auditing. Now that we've done all of that, next thing to do here is just select send. Make sure that the mail message is gone. Right, so yeah, it's disappeared. Have a look at sent items, just ensure it has definitely gone. It has definitely gone, so we'll just come out with the Outlook web app. Next thing we need to do is just verify that the activity has been logged. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into the Exchange Control panel. So back in Internet Explorer. This time what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come into Exchange Control panel, and I'm going to log in as administrator. So in as administrator, once I get in here, next thing I want to do is look at roles in auditing. Then we'll click on the auditing button, and what we'll do here is we'll run a non-owner access report. Right, in the case of the start date, we'll just knock this back to 2011. We'll set that to January 2001. And what we'll do for the end date, we'll make the end date tomorrow. Now that we've done all of that, next thing to do is just select my mailboxes. And in the case of my mailboxes here, I only want the customer support mailbox. Click OK. So we've done all of that. We'll then click on our little drop down, and what we'll do here is we'll just search for access by making sure that we have all non-owners. Once we've done that, click the search and verify that we did actually have Andrea Dunker did perform the send as test message has succeeded. So that is now verified that the auditing has worked correctly. So we'll just close this down now and just come out of the Exchange control panel. So that just proves that the audit logging does work. We did set up for customer support and we verified it via Outlook web app and also Exchange control panel. And that's the end of this demonstration.